Pasko na, guys. Parang ang bilis ng oras, no? Wala pang kalahating taon nung review natin yung Tecno Camon 17P. Tapos ngayon, mayroon na tayong 18P. Okay. In our hands. Well, wala sa hands. Ayan. In our hands na. So, eto, yung bagong phone ni Tecno. Alam nyo naman, based on our past reviews, malapit sa puso natin yung Tecno Camon series kasi ang ganda ng value ng phone na to. So, I can't wait to see what's in store with the Camon 18P. Buksan na natin. Alright, so eto na ang ating Tecno Camon 18P. Very familiar looking gray box at kasulat or nakaprint dun sa likod yung main features ng phone na to. So we have 48MP clear and steady video camera. Ito yung pinagmamalaki ni Tecno na bagong technology. Tapos we have a 50mm Pro portrait camera, a 6.8-inch dot-in Full HD Plus display na 120Hz. It is powered by the Helio G96 chipset, and we have 8GB RAM, 128GB storage, and the battery, built-in battery on this phone is a 5,000 mAh battery module that charges at 33 watts. So, ang kulay ng phone na to, it's called ceramic white. Very familiar looking Tecno box with the signature blue, parang royal blue, no? Medyo metallic yung peg ni Tecno. So, eto na siya. Labas na natin sa kanyang pinatataguan. Ay, meron pa palang plastic. Meron pa palang tape. Sorry. Okay, eto na. 1, 2, 3. Here we go. Tadaan! Ayan. Yan ang ating Tecno Camon 18P. Ito yung unang bubulaga sa'yo pagka nakuha mo yung phone at binuksan mo syempre yung box. So, andito rin sa nakaprint dun sa cover niya, no, yung main features niya. Yun natin ulitin. Buksan na natin siya. Oh, wow! Ayan, natanggal na natin yung stickers at ang ganda, guys. Ito yung ceramic white variant na Tecno Camon 18P. So, kung mapapansin nyo, yung surface ng ating phone ay hindi siya glossy. It's actually matte. Although, there's a strip right here na medyo kumikinang, medyo pearl-ish yung dating. Pero it's just the strip right here. Tapos, itong section na to, para siyang glass. It looks elegant, lalo na pagka tinignan mo yung edges, which has this chrome. So, I feel very excited just holding it in my hands, looking at it. Tapos, yung logo dito, napansin ko, medyo metallic din siya, parang bronze or copper. So, ito yung logo na nakaprint dito. Medyo metallic siya. So tingin ko if you're gonna be getting this phone for yourself or halimbawa may re-regaluhan ka, hindi madi-disappoint yung magiging owner nitong, at least for this white colored variant ng ating Camon 18P kasi napakaganda talaga niya. Start na natin yung phone. Familiar sounding Tecno chime tells us that we are now ready to set things up, and I'm just gonna go ahead and go through the setup process. So, magse-select tayo ng Wi-Fi at supported niya ang 5 GHz band. Alright, so we're just gonna leave the phone right here while it's getting ready, and we're gonna go through the contents of the box. Ano pa bang hindi natin natitingnan dito? Ayun, so we have some documents. This is the warranty card from Tecno Philippines. You get, ano ba? 1 year? 1 year warranty? Tama ba tayo? Ayun. Ito yung warranty natin, guys. 12 plus 1 months warranty ni Tecno. Ayan. we get a free jelly case. Okay. Hindi na masama. Saktong jelly case lang na transparent. Pero parang ayoko gamitan ng jelly case yung ating Camon 18P kasi napakaganda ng likod niya. But then again, it's white. So ayoko masira. Ayoko siya magasgas. If I were gonna use this for myself, hindi ko siya gagamitan ng jelly case. Sayang naman. Pero syempre, kung maselan tayo, di ba? Gamitan na lang natin ng jelly case para medyo tumagal-tagal yung ating phone. So, this is the power supply unit. And like we saw earlier, yung phone na to, it's capable of 33 watts of fast charging. So, mukha namang pasok yung power supply unit dun sa maximum na charging speed ng ating 18P na 33 watts. Kasi sabi dito, yung maximum output niya ay 10 watts, 3.3 amps. So, multiply the two, you get 33 watts. So, okay, medyo malaki-laki, pero it's good because we have very fast charging capabilities on the Camon 18P. Next, meron tayong packet right here containing the USB cable as well as headsets. So, buksan natin yan. Paano ba? Ayan. Alright. So, eto siya guys. Tignan nyo. So, this has to be a USB Type-C cable. Ayan. Okay. And this is the standard Tecno headset na nakukuha natin. We've seen this before in other Tecno phones. So, nothing too fancy, but if you don't have a headset, at least di ka nabibili, di ba? And nandito rin yung pin remover or the SIM remover, SIM tray remover tool. At yun na yun. Okay, nasa dulo na tayo. Wala nang natitira. Alright, so balik tayo dito sa ating phone. Wow, kumusta naman si Helio G96? Mabilis siya, guys. Okay. Very smooth so far. Talagang tuwing nakikita ko siya, natutuwa talaga ako dito sa itsura na ginawa dito ni Tecno. This chrome accent, then the white. It's so elegant. Parang kumbaga, pwede kang lumabas at pumarty, di ba? Medyo may feminine yung dating, pero as a guy, I can appreciate this. Okay. Okay, so meron siyang side-mounted fingerprint scanner. Dito siya sa power button. At isa-set up natin siya. So, alright guys, so we just finished going through the initial setup process for the Tecno Camon 18P. And as you can see, we're running Android 11 out of the box with Tecno's HIOS version 8. That's Tecno's very own user experience. And we have 8 gigs of RAM, 120 gigs storage, 40 megapixel triple rear cameras, 8 megapixel front facing cameras, 16 megapixel front facing camera, and we have a full HD screen, 1080 by 2460 pixels. The battery is a built-in 5000 milliamp hour battery module which charges at 33 watts. So far, the user experience when I try to navigate the home screen, when I try to open apps, it's super smooth, and part of that I think can be attributed to the high refresh rate screen. So this screen runs at 120 Hz, so you can adjust the refresh rate right here. I'm just gonna show you. So by default, the refresh rate is set to auto, but you can manually override the default settings and choose either 60 Hz or 120 Hz. So now I'm gonna set it to 60 Hz because I just want it to be smooth AF all the time. So ayan. Guys, sobrang smooth guys. Kakaiba talaga si Camon. Okay, so I'm gonna be playing a sample video para makita nyo yung picture quality pati na rin yung sound quality ng Tecno Camon 18P This is an HDR source, yung video natin, and it's at 1440p. Ngayon, yung resolution naman nito is 1280 by 24 something. So, mas mataas yung source natin sa YouTube compared dun sa native resolution ng ating screen. So, ito na. So, ayun. Single bottom firing speakers. What do you think? Okay na rin yung kanyang sound quality. Pagdating naman sa Netflix, yung maximum playback resolution natin is only SD. So, ito yung playback specification page sa Netflix. So, sayang kasi wala tayong full HD or HD man lang na support. So, explain ko lang na mabilis yung camera system dito sa phone na to. So, sa likod, you have the triple rear camera system. Yung nandito sa taas, this is the 48MP main camera module. Then, it is followed by the 2MP depth sensor. And lastly, you have a 13MP telephoto lens. So, 2 times yung zoom nito. Tapos, pagdating sa harap, you have a 16 megapixel selfie camera. Now I'm gonna take some photos and I'm gonna capture different sceneries using different lighting conditions. Then I'm gonna project them on the screen. Then you can see for yourself at mag-comment kayo kung nagaganda ba kayo dun sa picture quality or kung may pwedeng ma-improve. Okay? Alright. Okay, so review natin ha, pagdating sa looks and sa build quality, sobrang okay yung Tecno Camon 18P. Yung itsura pa lang, panalo ka na kasi yung aesthetic niya, mukha siyang premium phone. Alam niyo naman, mahilig tayo sa matte finish kasi ibig sabihin nun, hindi mo na kailangan gumamit ng jelly case or ng protective cover. Although in this case, puti siya, so baka, it might make sense to use a back cover. And ang maganda dito is that it is matte finish tapos meron siyang texture. So hindi siya matakaw sa fingerprint or sa smudges. Isa pang maganda dito sa phone na to is this 6.8-inch screen. Malaki siya and yung notch niya is the dot type notch. So it gives you the illusion na you have more screen real estate. And yung chin niya, although meron siyang konting chin, medyo makapal yung chin niya. Yung display quality ng panel niya, okay naman. It's not the best display panel in the world, but it is a very decent IPS LCD display panel. At the best dito is that it runs at a native screen refresh rate of 120 Hz. So, yung experience using the phone, it makes it feel that it's actually a much faster phone than what you have. And take note, the Helio G96 is no slouch. Guys, mabilis na chipset ito. At ito pa guys, you also have 8 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of storage, which is very generous. So, hindi gumagapang yung phone kahit na marami kang tumatakbong application sa background. Pag nag-browse ka, pag marami kang windows na tumatakbo, performance-wise, very satisfying itong Tecno Camon 18P. And pagdating sa games, ito, pwedeng-pwede ang Tecno Camon 18P. Yung MediaTek Helio G96 is a very capable chipset. And tinest natin ito sa MOBA games. Pwede na, guys. High refresh rate, 60 Hz, with everything set on high. Kayang-kaya ni Tecno Camon 18P. Pagdating naman sa camera, sa content creation, you get a lot of flexibility with the 13 megapixel telephoto lens. nagustuhan ko yon. Although, syempre, mas magandang quality pa rin nung 48MP main sensor. It's nice to have that telephoto lens so that you can get more pleasing quality na portrait photos. Tapos pagdating din sa selfie camera, hindi rin papatalo yung ating 18P kasi meron tayong 16 megapixel front-facing camera, lalo na ngayon. Marami sa atin ang nag-e-learning or nag-work from home. So very important na meron tayong magandang front-facing camera. Bukod pa doon, yung additional features ng phone na to, you get NFC, you get support for the 5 GHz Wi-Fi band, and of course, yung side-mounted fingerprint scanner, ayan, fingerprint sensor, ayan, napakaganda ng ating phone. And best of all, eto, dumako tayo sa price. Magkano sa tingin nyo itong Tecno Camon 18P? Hulaan nyo. This phone, okay, 8 gigs of RAM, 128 gigs of storage, 48MP rear cameras, MediaTek Helio G96 chipset. You can get this for only 10,990 pesos. So, di ba? Halos 11K lang siya. Ang ganda ng value proposition ng Tecno Camon 18P. So, may tanong ba kayo tungkol sa Tecno Camon 18P? May gusto ba kayong makita na hindi pa natin nagagawa dito sa video or in other reviews of the Tecno Camon 18P? Sabihin nyo lang, sulat kayo sa comment section. Binabasa natin lahat yan. And we, as always, we would really appreciate your support if you could subscribe to our channel, tapos hit the notification bell na rin para ma-notify kayo pagka meron tayong bagong videos. So this has been Kuya Den for Tech Kuya, and I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Paalam!